The lining turned inside out. There's the bag. Everything's looking pretty good. Got my label. Nurture Handmade, sewn with love, because it is. There's the pockets. There's 4 inner pockets, and now I just have to seal a little hole. I turned everything through, which I've just ironed and can do that, and we'll show you the big reveal at the end. Again, the whole purpose for this is so I can use my awesome Rocknot purse straps, because they're pretty long and my big long bag wasn't working. I needed a shorter one, so let's see how this one works. Hi everybody, just made a purse. Been looking for this pattern for a while, a wide square bag. I did View D on Simplicity 8028, and I'll do the big reveal. One of the things I'm doing is my purses only have little hooks on the sides so that I can change out my straps. And here I have the 48-inch long Rocknot bag strap. There's my purse, View D. This is pleather from Sally Tomato, which you can find online. I bought this at Montavilla here in Portland. It's a sewing place. You can buy sewing machines and some notions and stuff. It's a great little flip over the top kind of a square bag. I've been looking for one about that width, so I think it's just right. Okay, so this is the 56-inch red magnum crown strap. You can see how much it sparkles. Let me turn a light on here. And there's my cute little antique gold. This one goes the best because it has gold clips on it, and of course I put a gold zipper on this purse. I think it's a good length too. Let me know in the comments which one's your favorite. Okay, once I fill this up, it'll sit just right. Okay, this one's, I believe, the 48-inch. It definitely fits the best. That's so cute. Little Rocknot. Awkward purse modeling. Sparkle, sparkle. Let me open up my bag that I just made. With all this room in it. Oh, it goes on forever. Okay, so I've just pulled out the beautiful scarlet colored Rocknot. This one's 56 inches, very long. Not quite sure what I was thinking, but I just love the color. And these were on sale, so that's what got me. And I'm only going to make purses with little D-rings now so I can change out my straps. Which I was already kind of doing before because I like guitar straps in general for my purses because you can change them for your outfit. But these are way above that. There's the long one.